Senior BJP legislator and cabinet minister A.L. Haq said BJP will contest the election to the 2 district councils scheduled for some time later this year. Although the current term of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC and Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC, which was supposed to end in March this year, the state government in February has approved the proposal to extend the term of the KHADC and GHADC by another 6 months. Talking about Lok Sabha elections, the BJP legislator has expressed confidence that the NDA alliance will be able to cross the 400 mark.
This election, because BJP is a political party. If a political party is not contesting the election, then it's not a political party. If you ask this time why they have not contested, because this time is the understanding with the NDA alliance, NDA partners.